The Legendary Enlargement review. Get discount link in below description. Okay, let's start with video. Pretty much every guy wants a bigger penis, and for many it seems like nothing more than wishful thinking. The truth is that no matter what the size of your penis is, you can increase it by multiple inches fairly quickly. The market is saturated with tons of penis enlargement products and guides, but so few of them actually offer any real hope. If you want to get these kinds of results for yourself, you will have to learn about the Legendary Enlargement program. Components. There are plenty of useful sections that you will get with the Legendary Enlargement program. Each of these sections serves different purpose and can put you a little bit closer to getting the larger penis you want. The more you know about each component, the easier it will be to make the right decision on this product. Introduction. The first component of this program will give you some basic details on how to grow your penis and why it is not impossible like so many guys think. It is very important that you take the time to go over this part, because it is the foundation for the entire program. Girth building. There is an entire section of this guide dedicated to helping you expand the overall girth of your penis. If you want a thicker penis, this is definitely something that you will need to read through. This part of the program will make it easier to get the kind of penis you want. Length building. Another component of this program is devoted to getting a longer penis, which is something that a vast majority of guys want to one degree or another. Believe it or not, getting a longer penis really isn't as difficult as it seems. As long as you pay close attention to this section of the program, you should be able to get noticeable results very soon. Smoothie recipes. A separate resource in this program will give you detailed recipes for smoothies that taste good and can help you boost the size of your manhood. These smoothies contain a lot of nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. Putting together the perfect sex stack. Stacking supplements can be very tricky if you don't know what you are doing, which is all the more reason to read this part of the guide. The Ultimate Sex Stack section of this program will provide you with the details you need to put together the right combination of supplements for penile growth. These supplements won't do much by themselves, but when combined they can help you out a lot. Why should I try the Legendary Enlargement program? Once you start looking into the Legendary Enlargement program, you will quickly discover that there are numerous reasons for you to try it. Some of the best reasons to think about buying this program include: accurate information. The information that makes up the Legendary Enlargement program is scientifically accurate and 100% factual. This means that you won't be misled by anything that is even remotely false. Minimal effort. When you follow the information in these guidebooks, you will be able to get a bigger penis while doing minimal work. There are no tiring exercises that you have to do with your penis. It's safe. There is nothing even remotely dangerous about the penile enhancement methods that are recommended in this program. In fact, it is all completely natural. More confidence. When you start to notice a drastic increase in the size of your penis, you will also experience a huge boost of confidence overall. Drawbacks. This penis enlargement system is only available online, so you will need a computer or mobile device with an internet connection to access the information. You cannot download any of the materials, which is pretty disappointing. Reputation. There is no question that the Legendary Enlargement program has an impeccable overall reputation. Most of the reviews that are written by people who have paid for this program are very positive, to say the least. These reviews are filled with comments about how their sex lives and relationships are far better. Guys who follow this program all the way through also say that they experience a very noticeable increase in penis size for length and girth. Does it really work? Unlike so many of the other penis enlargement guides, systems and programs that are available online, this one really can work for most guys. It offers a variety of methods and advice for increasing the size of your penis exponentially over a short period of time. Most guys start to see noticeable results within 3 to 6 weeks, though it varies from person to person. The point is that this program really does have the potential to work for those who stick with it. Just make sure you don't skip past any of the materials or components in this program. How much is it? While all of the materials that make up this program are valued at just under $400, it will only cost you $67. When you consider all of the useful resources that you are going to get with this program, it is certainly worth the money overall. The 60-day money-back guarantee makes it easy to get your money back if you are not totally happy with your results. You can get this digital program from the product's official site, which is very easy to navigate. The bottom line, you can increase the size of your penis significantly, and the Legendary Enlargement program will show you how. This product is a solid investment for guys who want to gain confidence and please their partners with ease. The fact is that size does matter, and thankfully you can do something about your average size. This program is unique in that it can actually help the average guy get a bigger penis within a reasonable amount of time. It won't take very long before you begin noticing results.